How to fix Facebook comments not loading. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. If the comments are not loading up on the Facebook app, the first thing that you need to do is once you head over to the comments of a particular post, you'll see the option of sorting these comments. By default, the most relevant would be selected. So what you can do is just tap on that option and then tap on all comments. This ensures that all of the comments are clearly visible that is made within this post. Now, if this is not the issue with you and you're not being able to see any comments, the other thing that you can try out is try to refresh your Facebook app. So just close the app from the recent list and try to see if the issue is fixed. Now, if this is not the issue with you as well, what you can also try out is try to clear the data and cache of the Facebook app. You can just quickly tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of this page, tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache. Apart from this, what you can also try out is look for any new updates available. Updating applications help to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. So simply search for Facebook. If you do see new updates available, you can tap on the update button. Lastly, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Facebook from your phone and then again re-download it. Once you complete these few steps, you should be able to fix the Facebook comments not loading error. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.